Do you know why I have this no Wi-Fi Canva in my office, even if I am a computer scientist and I work with the internet? To remember to myself that I can become successful even without Wi-Fi. Because the secret for success is not Facebook ad, YouTube, affiliate marketing, dropshipping or Instagram, is your mindset. By having the right mindset, you can achieve every goal that you want: freedom, lifestyle, health, money, business, supercars, love, friends, everything that you want. I've been able to create my own business, a social media marketing agency, buy a sport car, travel around the world, change completely my body, and I want to teach you the same. Because you probably already invested time, energy and money to reach your goals, but without results. But if you stop right now, you have wasted all this. But if you are serious and committed, I have down below the link to the training that created me these results. I cannot guarantee that it works for you too, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. But it's a premium collection with more than 20 videos where you can train your mind to see opportunities, understand how money works, and understand all the principles that will make you able to achieve the biggest goal that you have into your life. And this will be the investment that will make all your past investment work. I live in Switzerland and the prices here are really high, but since I want to help people all around the world, I have set a really stupid low price for this collection. Click the link below and get access right now because I will raise the price soon. So click the link below and I see you in the training. Don't miss this opportunity.